Hi guys, it's Sweet Tooth. Today we're looking at the Henry Extra Hoover. It's basically just a Henry, just same size, same sort of 10 metre, really long. I think it's a 10 metre cable. It's a really good long cable. It's got the same everything. But what we're going to do is we're going to hoover out some of this soot. I'm only doing this in between a professional clean. It's just that I've noticed that the fire is starting to smell smoky. I know that's fires do, but you can just see under here. That's where where it is. So what we're going to do, we're going to go put the power on. That is. It is on. This is an older model. This is model HBX 222. And that's 1000 to 1200 watt. So this is definitely the other one I've got. It's Max 700. It's an older model, but it should do the job. Right. See if we can get some of this dust out. Certainly feel it cleaning that line. And that's a good thing about this. It's got a long hose on it. Just gotta get back clean. That's half. See that? They are going in. Nails sucks a lot up. There's some nails there up the wood. The good thing about the extra is we've got the extra power. I mean, they have got a crevice tool on this, but I'm just using this for now. I mean, this is like an old thing, but we'll see how much crap it got in the bag. Jesus. You know what I mean? See that split? split bag, so I'll have to replace that. But yeah, you get the idea, guys. This is like, just gets rid of everything. I'll replace that bag. But yeah, nice and clean. Got a lot of soot out of there. That should burn better, and I'll get it cleaned in about 6 months professionally. But until then, it just, you know, good for stopping the build-up of soot, really, which causes the issues. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let's a quick look at the Henry Extra. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.